Yeah. Ha, ha, ha. Boom, boom. Beat so big, I'm stepping on leprechaun, shitting on y'all with the
Fight.
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel and I'm back with another TikTok dance challenge from
satellite radio, y'all get hit with the boom, boom.
Okay, so before we start, I have a good news for you, so watch this. So there's a website called SlickComments.com, and in this website you can join dance contest and a chance to win a $100 US. Okay, so here's the instructions. Make a video using the dance challenge that I'm going to teach today. Upload this video in YouTube Shorts. Copy the link. Go to SlickComments.com and paste the copied link in the reply box down my video. It's easy, right? Don't forget to put the handwritten I love Kelvin for the authenticity of your video. Okay, so the video with the most likes will be the winner every week. So what are you waiting for? Join now so you can have a chance to win the cash prize. And for more information, you can check out the description box down my video. Okay guys, so if you're ready, let's get started. Okay, so remember, this is a mirrored view, so this is my left and this is my right. So we will break this down into 3 parts, and this dance challenge is so easy. So the first step is like this. So we go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so in this dance challenge, you can make a solo video, or if you have some partner, you can join with them. Okay, so first step that we need to do is to make a position like this. So your right foot is here in front and then your left foot here at the back. And then you just need to lean forward, lean back, lean forward, and then back. So you'll just do it 4 times. And then try to cross your hand, cross, and then cross down. Okay, so you just go up and down, up and down. Okay, now let's do it one more time. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next, step your right foot and then lift your left leg. Okay, so if you have some partner, you can ask them to hold your leg. So we just need to go like this and then pump your leg 2 times. Pump your hips. 1, 2. So it's easier if you have some partner to help you to do the pump. Okay, let's do it one more time. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's do it one more time. Let's take it a little bit fast. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now let's try this in a slow music.
Yeah. Ha, ha, ha. Here we go, satellite radio, y'all get hit with the boom, boom.
Now let's move on to our second part of this dance challenge. So after this, 7, 8. Now we will go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so after this, I will just put down my left foot and then do the same thing as we did the first one. So we go like 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so after this, I will put my left foot here and then place your right hand like this. Okay, so from here, pop, 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 pop. 5. Next is you can ask your friend to tap your hand. Okay, so if you don't have if you are going to do a solo, you can just tap your hand like this. Okay, let's do it one more time. So from here, pop, pop. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, 5, 6. And then just lift your hand up 2 times. Okay, 1 and 2. Okay, so try to put some hips when you're doing this move. Pop, pop. Okay, now let's take it from the top. Let's take it slowly. So we go like 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's take it a little bit fast. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Now let's try this in a slow music.
Yeah. Ha, ha, ha. Here we go. Satellite radio, y'all get hit with the boom, boom. Beat so big, I'm stepping on leprechaun, shitting on y'all with the boom, boom.
Okay, now let's move on to our third part, and this will be our last step for this challenge. So after this, 7, 8. Now I will go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now let's break this down. It's easy. So from here, pop, pop. I will just move going to the left side, move, and then make your arms like this. Boom, and then pump 2 times. Okay, so you just need to pump, boom, boom. Next, go to the right side and then make some pump with your booty. So we go pop, pop. Yeah, okay, let's do it one more time. Pop, pop. That's it. Now let's take it one more time. So from here, pop, pop. So we go like 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so try to pump your hips as much as you can. Okay, let's do it from the top. Let's take it slowly. So we go like 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. Last, and 7, 8. Did you get it? Let's do it one more time. Let's take a little bit fast. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and boom, boom. 1, 2, and boom, boom. And now, let's try this in a slow music, and then after that, we'll do the normal speed. Are you ready? Let's go.
Yeah. Ha, ha, ha. Here we go. Satellite radio, y'all get hit with the boom, boom. Beat so big, I'm stepping on leprechaun, shitting on y'all with the boom, boom. Shitting on y'all with the boom, boom. Shitting on y'all with the boom. Yeah. Ha, ha, ha. Boom, boom. Beat so big, I'm stepping on leprechaun, shitting on y'all with the.
Okay guys, so that's it for today. So hope you learned something again from me. And if you like this video, make sure that you hit that like button, make some comment, and please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. But before we end this video, I just want to shout out to So that's it, and see you guys on my next video. Peace out.